Those lights look good. Oh, it was beautiful out earlier, but at least there's no wind yet. It's off. Let's go. Now we're gonna snap it. Yow!
It's like a triple snap.
Oh, that makes me feel alive. Today's just the day that I really needed to get out and fly. I've been going stir crazy. I've been getting those winter blues kicking in, and it's a little cold, but the wind isn't too bad, so it's a great day to fly. I picked out one of my personal favorite things to fly. This thing is ridiculously awesome. It is by far the best EDF I've ever flown, so I just want to fly it. Let's go. Look at the lights on this thing, guys. They look so good, so good. Let's see if we can get the green on this wing as we taxi out. There it is. As I taxi down, Abby, I just want to say thank you for encouraging me to get out here and fly today. I needed this really bad. Just a little too much Mickey Mouse voices, and it's been bad. I miss the warm weather so bad. I'm turning into you. I'm going full flaps on this takeoff, and I am ready to go. You ready?
Ready.
Here we go. Not even stopping. Oh yeah.
Always looks so good.
Oh, I don't get to fly this one enough. I don't get to fly this one enough.
Just came out.
Not really. I mean, it's been out for a little while now. Okay, we're gonna put the landing gear up on this pass. Flaps are already up. Ah, it's so nice. Oh, it's nice. I love my Viper 70. That is like my favorite, or at least like was my favorite, just to get out and fly. And now I have this, and it just knocks the socks off of that thing. Full throttle pass. We'll kick safe off on this next pass. Yes, safe is still on. Those lights look good. Oh, it was beautiful out earlier, but at least there's no wind yet. It's off. Let's go. Now we're gonna snap it. Yow!
It's like a triple snap.
Oh, that makes me feel alive. Could you imagine being up in there? Man, that's a good snap.
No,
oh,
no,
man, that makes me feel so good. Wow. Here we go, coming in. Look at those nav lights. They look so good on this thing. Banking around, banking around, banking around. Did you lose me?
I gotcha.
Okay. Safe is back on for just a second. Just gotta check the skies around us here. Make sure there's no stray birds. Okay, we're good. We're gonna come in nice and slow. Spaceship mode. Spaceship mode. It's a little faster on this than the Viper 70, but we can still go nice and slow. Throttle up, flaps off, safe off. We just climb, 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 climb. Roll out of it. Come back down and around. Man, this thing just flies perfectly. Perfectly. Roll this way, roll that way. Oh, if you want to smile, just put something that you love in the air. We're gonna snap it. Oh man, every time that looks good and just is awesome. You can see the weight and the momentum to this thing when you pull off that maneuver. We're going up into a loop, sideways loop. I'm sorry, we'll just figure eight or a Cuban 8, finish it off. I'm way too high up, way too high up. This thing, it even glides good. I mean, I zero throttle this thing pretty often. As long as you don't do it on the bank, you know, you don't want to wingtip stall too bad. It is so good. Let's go inverted. Shouldn't be doing this, but I'm doing it.
So is this like your favorite jet now?
Yeah, oh yeah, by far.
Yeah?
Yeah, yep. And it sounds amazing too.
For a while it was your A10, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And now it's this?
Go on, finish off this. Yes! Yeah, that was awesome. Yes. Yeah, this is my favorite, definitely. That's what we were hearing. It's way up there, huge airplane. But I'll tell you what, for safety's sake, we're gonna bring this in for a quick little landing. We're gonna put those landing gear down, and I will check before I touch down. But here we go. I won't touch down if I don't have all 3 wheels down, but I should. We're gonna go half flaps to help slow it down. I see 3 wheels, so we're gonna touch down here and put a fresh pack in, you guys. Just wanted a nice landing. I know it wasn't in front of the camera, but that was a super smooth landing. And so we're gonna taxi this back in put a fresh battery in, and I'm just gonna keep flying, get some fresh air, and have a good time with my Viper 90mm. That battery was on 3.75 volts per cell when we landed, so it's a pretty good time to land. I mean, I could have flown for maybe another minute or so, but I have 4,000 milliamp packs. Both of them are 6S, 4,000 milliamps. If you are watching this video and you're like a first-time viewer and you want to get into airplanes, let us know in the comments. I'll do my best to make a good recommendation for you. Otherwise, I'm just gonna have fun flying. No flaps on that takeoff. No, half flaps. I'm sorry, that was half. It just didn't look like much, but I had it at half from that last landing, I think. We'll put the landing gear up just a little sooner. That sun's coming out through those clouds just a little bit. That's about the same time. Landing gear. I love when I see that flap door go up on the nose.
So cool.
The staged landing gear. Oh, it's awesome. Let's do a full throttle pass. It's there's something about pushing something through the air going over 100 miles an hour. It just feels good. It's the best pack of adrenaline you could ever ask for. Here we go. Safe off, going up. Roll it and snap it. Man, that's pretty, isn't it? It's awesome. I should have kept rolling it the other direction, but whatever. A nice barrel roll. Bringing it back around. I take up a lot of sky with this because it moves so fast. I wouldn't have to. I could fly it a little closer, but that's why we got Abby on that awesome zoom lens. Let's go crazy on this. Not as crazy as I thought, but still pretty cool. Let's go like this now.
Wow.
I wonder if this could be like high alpha or anything. And I wonder if it has enough rudder authority to do like a hammerhead. I don't think it does. We're gonna try. Oops, I've mixed in elevator with that, but no, I'm going to just say no. The nav lights on this are so bright. They're like the best looking I've seen them. It's like the darkest day that we've been out flying this, I think. Just throwing a few different things at it today. That's my timer. I didn't reset it from the last flight. Man, I love that snap roll.
You're at like 210 or so.
Fun to fly.
Oh, I'm so sorry. That was terrible.
That was a pretty unpredictable.
It was your fault then?
We'll go like this though, make it look good. You ready?
Oh yeah.
Always love those passes. Let's snap it, not going up.
Wow, that's so cool.
I'm getting farther away, so I actually kicked safe on. I could have got it back, but you know,
you're at
use
3
safe when you have it. Let's get a cool little low, slower pass, and then we'll bring it in for landing the other way. Because we never land stuff that way. I want this one to look a little better. Throttle up before I go through this last bank. And I'll tell you what, you said we're about 3 minutes
There's
in.
some sun coming out.
It's nice, isn't it? Look how pretty. Look, let's go fly over there just real quick. Look at that. Sun rays coming through. Looks good, doesn't it?
Yes.
It was nice and pretty earlier, and then got the plane out and
Clouds came in.
Yeah, that's right. So here we go. Let's get that landing gear down.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Never have an issue with this one. Let's knock on wood.
Not yet.
You know what, we're out on this side. Let's go half flaps. And then just to slow it down a little faster this time. I don't know if I need it, but we're going full flaps. And try to get a nice smooth landing right in front of us, not just way down the runway. 0 throttle. There we go. That was not a bounce, just so you know. One wheel touched and then I corrected, leveled it back out.
Looked good to me.
Yeah. That was nice. I felt like I was in total control this whole flight. As it taxis back, I thank God for this beautiful day. I thank our Patreon supporters for everything you guys do for us, and I'm just really happy that I got to get out here and fly. Thank you, Abby, for that. We'll have another awesome jet video popping up right about now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you there.
Bye.